10 driving law changes in 2026 that could cost you. A new set of driving laws took effect in 2026 that could lead to stops, fines, or arrests. Many drivers remain unaware of these changes. Below are the key updates and what you must do to avoid penalties. A nationwide handheld device ban. If a vehicle is on and you are in the driver's seat holding a phone, it is a federal violation. Fines start at $250 and increase for repeat offenses. Points may be added to your license. Hands-free use is allowed only with a properly mounted or integrated device. Right lane restrictions on multi-lane highways. In 23 states, the far right lane on highways with 3 or more lanes is reserved for through traffic during peak hours. If you are not exiting within the next 2 miles, move to the center or left lanes. Fines range from $150 to $300. Check local rules for exact hours. Speed camera notification requirement. Some states now require clear signage at least 500 feet before speed cameras. Tickets issued where warning signs are missing can often be challenged and dismissed. Document signage, or lack of it, if contesting a ticket. Emergency vehicle yielding procedure. When emergency vehicles with lights and sirens approach, pull to the right and come to a complete stop. Remain stopped until the emergency vehicle has passed and is at least 200 feet ahead. Violations can carry steep fines, commonly around $500, and mandatory traffic school. EV charging parking rules. It is illegal in many jurisdictions to occupy an EV charging spot if not actively charging, and in some places you may be ticketed if your vehicle remains plugged in after reaching 100% charge. Grace periods typically 10 to 15 minutes. Fines commonly start around $100. Expanded school zone enforcement. School zone hours have been extended in many places to cover before and after school programs, with fines often doubled and higher penalties for excessive speeding. Be alert for flashing signs. Fines and points can be severe. Dash cams and recording. Several states explicitly allow drivers to record traffic stops. Dashcam footage is generally admissible in court, but posting recordings publicly may require blurring faces and plates or obtaining consent to avoid civil claims. THC per se DUI limits. Some states adopted per se THC limits, often around 5 nanograms per milliliter. A blood test above the limit can lead to DUI charges even without observable impairment. If you use cannabis, avoid driving for at least 24 hours. Regular users may test positive longer. Teen driver restrictions. Many states extended post-license restrictions, nighttime curfews, commonly 11 p.m. 5:00 a.m. with exceptions, passenger limits, and fines that may be charged to parents. These aim to reduce nighttime and multi-passenger crash risk. Autonomous vehicle liability rules. Liability for accidents involving fully autonomous vehicles generally falls to the manufacturer or developer if the vehicle was in full autonomous mode. If a human had control or ignored warnings, the human may still be liable. Document accidents involving autonomous vehicles and obtain police reports and vehicle data when possible. Practical notes. Salaries, W-2 wages, can be garnished. Distributions or other compensation types may be treated differently. State laws vary. This summary is educational, not legal advice. Check your state DMV or consult an attorney for specifics and to confirm local enforcement and penalties.